Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to update your name in WhatsApp. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an update from us. First of all, tap on your WhatsApp app. Then, over the top you'll find here 3 dots. Tap on it and go to Setting and tap on your profile photo. Then over here you can find Name. To change this, tap on this pencil icon and you can write your name. I'll write as Trend Tech Guide. You can save by just tapping on this Save. You can see here name of my WhatsApp profile is changed. In this way we can change name in WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.